Well, picture this. You live in a world where your packages and parcels are delivered to you, not by humans, but by unmanned aerial devices. And how interesting would that be?
Well, Chi Minh City is already testing this reality by piloting unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, as part of its strategy to develop the low-altitude economy. In the initial phase, drones are being tested for urban logistic tasks such as emergency medical transport and urgent deliveries during traffic congestion. The control trails are expected to better serve daily needs and improve the quality of life for city residents.
This drone was previously deployed in search and rescue operations during recent flooding in Con Hoa province. According to the supplier, its dual camera system allows wide area scanning and faster detection of victims.
With a payload capacity of up to 15 kilograms, the drone can deliver life jackets, food, and drinking water as soon as a victim is detected. Unlike many systems worldwide, this single drone can both search for victims and carry rescue supplies at the same time.
Businesses say they are hopeful the city will implement procurement policies that help address pressing urban challenges.
Under normal conditions, drones are used for security monitoring and emergency response. Smaller drones can detect even very small objects from distances of up to 1 kilometer, while rescue drones are designed to carry heavier, specialized equipment.
At this stage, the program is focusing on UAV trials within the Saigon High-Tech Park, testing short-range deliveries to create a real-world testing environment for high-potential technologies.
For businesses, this provides an opportunity to test products and assess them within a full commercialization process. For government agencies, it allows us to evaluate whether drone-related policies are practical and suitable for real-world implementation.
The city plans to expand trials to longer distance routes to meet logistics demand in a broader urban area, including flights from Can to Vung Tau in the first quarter of 2026.